Tesla doors are primarily electronic, but knowing how to manually open them is crucial in emergencies. This video covers manual door release procedures for all Tesla models as of December 2025. We'll explore interior and exterior releases, addressing power outages and other failures. Recent updates in Tesla's fail-safe modes and ETSA compliance make understanding these procedures essential for every owner. Tesla's door system combines electric and mechanical elements for reliable operation. The electric actuator, powered by the 12-volt battery, handles normal opening and closing. At the core is the electric actuator system, which uses electricity from the vehicle's 12-volt battery to power door operations. This system enables smooth, automatic functioning. For safety, mechanical latches provide a backup. These physical mechanisms ensure doors can be opened even if power fails, following safety standards. The system features two release mechanisms. Exterior release uses a lever on the B-pillar, while interior release has a lever near the door handle. Fail-safes include using the key fob or phone app for remote unlock if the touchscreen fails. In total power loss, doors auto-unlock after 30 seconds. Always prioritize safety by checking for hazards like traffic before manually opening the door. The exterior manual door release is your backup option when electronic systems fail. Located on the B-pillar between the front and rear doors, this mechanical system provides reliable access even with a depleted battery. Start by locating the exterior release on the B-pillar. This vertical pillar separates the front and rear doors on both sides of your Tesla. For most Tesla models, including Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X, look for a small plastic tab on the B-pillar. Pull this tab to reveal a hidden lever underneath. Then pull the lever downward using firm but controlled force. This mechanical linkage bypasses the electric system and works even when the battery is depleted. For the Cybertruck, the manual release is different. Find the red handle located behind a panel on the exterior frame. Pull this handle firmly to open the door. This design is built for durability in rugged off-road conditions. Remember to always use firm but controlled force when operating the manual release to avoid damaging the mechanism. This ensures the door opens smoothly and safely. From inside the Tesla, locate the manual release lever. This is typically found near the door handle or under the armrest. The lever is usually near the door handle or under the armrest. Pull the lever firmly to disengage the latch and open the door. Rear doors have child safety overrides to prevent accidental opening. In emergencies, know how to bypass these by pressing the override button. Be mindful of traffic or other hazards before exiting the vehicle. Always check your surroundings for safety. While the general principles are the same, release mechanisms vary slightly by model. The Cybertruck has a unique exterior handle design. Tesla issued an over-the-air OTA update in July 2025 to improve emergency release functionality in power outage scenarios. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions for your specific Tesla model. When troubleshooting Tesla door issues, first ensure you're not using excessive force on the manual release. Check that the electronic locking system isn't still engaged. Try unlocking remotely with your key fob or mobile app. Tesla's full self-driving system can automatically unlock doors in emergencies. If nothing works, contact emergency services immediately. Experts from the IIHS emphasize that Tesla's manual releases are a best practice implementation of redundancy, providing essential safety backups. AAA recommends practicing these releases annually to ensure you're prepared. IIHS experts highlight Tesla's approach as a model for vehicle safety design. The AAA advises owners to practice manual door releases once a year. When using manual releases, always check for obstacles or hazards first to avoid injury. Know the exact location of releases in both front and rear seats for quick access. These manual features exist specifically for your safety and protection. This section explores future trends in Tesla door systems and concludes our guide on manual door releases. Tesla is integrating AI-driven safety features, using sensors to detect entrapment risks and auto-unlock doors. Future models may eliminate traditional handles, relying on gesture-based access with enhanced mechanical backups. Stay informed about updates to your Tesla's safety systems and regularly practice manual release procedures. Knowing how to manually open your Tesla's doors is a critical safety skill.